There is a painting worth nearly $500 million hanging behind bulletproof glass. Guards watch it around the clock, and the room's temperature is controlled to the fraction of a degree. Elsewhere, a single diamond sold for more than some small countries earn in a year. Its owner keeps it in a vault that requires multiple keys to open. These are real objects with price tags that seem impossible. By the time we reach number 1, you will see something so expensive it costs over $150 billion. Humans have always created things of extraordinary value. Some are priceless for their beauty, others for their technology. Certain objects took decades to build and employed thousands of workers. Others are rare enough that only one exists on Earth. Here are 10 of the most expensive objects ever created. 10. The Pink Star Diamond in 2017. A diamond sold at auction for $71 million. The Pink Star is the largest flawless pink diamond ever graded. It took 2 years just to cut and polish the stone. The original rough diamond weighed over 130 carats before shaping. Today it sits in a private collection, rarely seen by the public. Final weight is 59.6 carats after cutting mined in Africa in 1999, classified as internally flawless by gemologists, sold at Sotheby's auction in Hong Kong, largest flawless fancy vivid pink diamond on record. 9. The History Supreme Yacht off the coast of Malaysia. A yacht glitters with solid gold plating. The History Supreme took over 3 years to build. Its hull is wrapped in 100,000 kilograms of gold and platinum. Even the anchor is made of precious metals. The estimated price tag is nearly $5 billion. Built by luxury yacht designer Stuart Hughes, features dinosaur bone and meteorite decorations. Master bedroom has a wall made from platinum. Only one was ever constructed, widely reported as the most expensive yacht ever built. 8. The Hubble Space Telescope, orbiting 540 kilometers above Earth. The telescope has changed our view of the universe. The Hubble Space Telescope cost approximately $10 billion over its lifetime. It has captured images of galaxies billions of light years away. Multiple space shuttle missions were required to launch and repair it. Every photograph it takes is worth the decades of investment. Launched in 1990 aboard Space Shuttle Discovery, orbits Earth every 95 minutes, has taken over 1.5 million observations, serviced by astronauts 5 times, remains operational after over 30 years. 7. The Antilia Building, India in Mumbai, a private home rises 27 stories above the city. Antilia is one of the most expensive residences ever constructed. It contains multiple swimming pools, a theater, and a helipad. 600 staff members work full-time to maintain the building. The estimated value exceeds $2 billion. Owned by Indian billionaire Mukesh Ambani, contains 27 floors but height equals 60 standard floors, features 3 helipads on the roof. Each floor has unique design and purpose, one of the most expensive private homes in the world. 6. The B-2 Spirit stealth bomber, nearly invisible to radar. The B-2 Spirit flies like a dark wing across the sky. Each aircraft costs approximately $2 billion. Only 21 were ever built for the United States Air Force. The technology required to make them undetectable consumed billions in research. Pilots call it the most advanced bomber ever created. First flight occurred in 1989, uses stealth technology to avoid radar detection. Wingspan stretches over 52 meters, can carry both conventional and nuclear weapons. Total program cost exceeded $44 billion. The objects ahead are even more extraordinary, including works of art that shattered records and structures that consumed entire national budgets. 5. The Salvator Mundi painting in 2017. An auction room fell silent as bidding climbed past $400 million. The Salvator Mundi, attributed to Leonardo da Vinci, became the most expensive painting ever sold. The artwork depicts Christ holding a crystal orb. It spent years lost, damaged, and mistaken for a copy before restoration. Today its location remains largely private and mysterious. Sold at Christie's auction in New York, final price with fees reached $450 million. Dates to approximately 1500. Attribution to Da Vinci is debated by some scholars. Purchased by Saudi Arabian interests. 4. The Large Hadron Collider. Beneath the border of Switzerland and France lies the most complex machine ever built. The Large Hadron Collider cost approximately $10 billion to construct. Its circular tunnel stretches 27 kilometers underground. Inside, particles smash together at nearly the speed of light. It helped discover the Higgs boson, confirming fundamental physics theories. Operated by CERN, the European Physics Organization, thousands of scientists from over 100 countries contributed. Superconducting magnets keep particle beams on course. Confirmed the Higgs boson in 2012. Continues experiments exploring the origins of the universe. 3. The aircraft carrier USS Gerald R. Ford. The newest American aircraft carrier floats like a small city on the ocean. The USS Gerald R. Ford cost approximately $13 billion to build. It carries over 75 aircraft and a crew of thousands. New catapult systems can launch jets faster than any previous carrier. It represents the cutting edge of naval engineering. Commissioned in 2017, first of a new class of supercarriers, uses electromagnetic launch systems for aircraft, generates enough power to supply a small city, expected to serve for 50 years. 2. The International Space Station, orbiting Earth every 90 minutes. A structure the size of a football field floats in space. The International Space Station cost over $100 billion to build and operate. 15 nations contributed modules, equipment, and astronauts. It has been continuously occupied since November 2000. Human beings have lived in space for over 2 decades because of this station. Assembled in orbit through multiple missions, weighs approximately 420,000 kilograms, travels at 28,000 kilometers per hour, has hosted over 250 visitors from 19 countries. Largest human-made structure in space. 1. The Itaipu Dam on the border of Brazil and Paraguay. A wall of concrete holds back one of the world's mightiest rivers. The Itaipu Dam cost an estimated $20 billion in today's value to construct. It took 18 years and 40,000 workers to complete. The dam generates more electricity annually than almost any other power plant on Earth. Enough concrete was used to build 210 football stadiums. Spans the Parana River between Brazil and Paraguay, produces about 100 billion kilowatt-hours annually, provides roughly 15% of Brazil's electricity. Main dam is over 7 kilometers long. Construction required relocating an entire city. You have just seen 10 of the most expensive objects ever created by human hands. From diamonds worth tens of millions to stealth bombers costing billions each. We explored floating palaces, underground particle accelerators, and a space station orbiting overhead right now. At the top of the list, the Itaipu Dam proves that the most expensive objects are often the ones that power our entire civilization, built by tens of thousands of workers over nearly 2 decades. Which expensive object amazed you the most? Would you rather own the most expensive painting or the most expensive yacht? Do you think these costs are justified for what they deliver? What other incredibly expensive creations should we explore next? If this journey through the world's priciest objects fascinated you, tap like and subscribe for more. Soon, we will explore the most incredible palaces ever built, from golden temples to ice castles that melt each year.